happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Drew James with James Cycle Supply, and got a really cool part for the Triumph. I got a part from a guy that you guys all probably know, Jared Weems from Weems Motor Co. And bought one of these really cool clear points timing covers that he makes. And I'm rocking the new Weems Motor Co. merch, so definitely go on his website, buy yourself a really cool t-shirt from him, and let's get to it. All right, so as you guys can see, I already got Bonnie on the lift. That's pretty much where she lives unless I take her for a quick ride or go to a show or something like that. But I already got a chrome one on there and it looks pretty good. But man, when I seen this one, I really wanted it because it's see-through, so you're gonna be able to see your ignition and all that kind of stuff rotating in there. So we're gonna go over an install on this. It's just gonna be really quick, just two Phillips head screwdrivers, take it off. If you guys want a part from this guy, that you guys can get a hold of him on his website at weemsmotorco.com or Instagram at weemsmotorco Tampa. And just looking at the overall part before I even opened it, the packaging is really good. I like how the display of it is. It looks really nice. And let's go ahead and open this thing up. Cool, so it's gonna come with the gaskets and everything that you need. Two bolts, and it looks identical mold to what comes on their stock, so it looks really good. The quality of the plastic and all that's really nice. You know, it's not cheap. It's actually pretty thick. So I think that's gonna hold up really well and keep the water and all that kind of stuff out of there. And let's go ahead and throw this on. All right, so this is gonna be a real easy install. So all you gotta do is grab your Phillips head and take these two screws out. That's all you got to do. And I mean, I already got a new gasket on the one that I have right here, so I'll probably just reuse that one, to be honest with you, and save the other one for a rainy day. But man, this is gonna look really cool. So I got it installed on there, and I'm just kind of walking around the bike, and man, I really like the way this looks. Let's get a close-up shot on the case right there. Look at that, guys. Now, that's a really cool quality part, so definitely order one if you guys have a Triumph, and get a hold of Jared Weems at Weems Motor Co. And you can get one from him. But man, that's a really cool quality product that really increases the eye candy on your bike, if you know what I'm saying. And man, it really matches the paint really well, especially my gem that I have on my shifter right here. And I'm stoked on it. So definitely would recommend this part to anybody that's got a Triumph and wants to make their points cover look a lot better than the stock one. And this is gonna end today's episode. All right, so that's going to end it today. I really appreciate everybody sticking around and watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll keep making really cool chopper, motorcycle related videos for you guys. And y'all have a blessed day.